Welcome to Mid-City Los Angeles, a student accommodation where simplicity, luxury, convenience, and campus proximity all unite exclusively for you. Your cozy new non-ensuite offers you a comfy bed for restful nights, the ideal workspace, TV with satellite or cable for endless entertainment, and a fully equipped kitchen with smart appliances. You also get fresh linens, dishwasher, plus modern fully furnished spaces for added comfort. Don't worry about running to the laundromat. Facilities are available on site. Your utilities, including reliable Wi-Fi, are all covered by your rent. Kill a good workout in the gym before locking in with your books in the co-working spaces. Cleaning services in the common areas and rooms, plus security, are both available here. So, rest easy. A quick drive takes you to Adams College of English and Columbia West College. You'll get used to being on time. Explore the city and more with nearby buses on Washington and the train from Culver City Station. Don't pass up on your life at Mid-City Los Angeles. Visit amberstudent.com and book now.